UI switch changer, and WhatsApp message, cleaner music player. Okay, so the developer made all those tweets open source, and some more updates to his repo. Alright, but let's see, this tweet, custom on switch color, custom thumb color, it depends on Odyssey color picker. It's compatible with iOS 12 to 14.8.1. UA WhatsApp muted badges and shows your messages count on your WhatsApp icon badge even if you get messages from muted conversations. Cleaner music player hides the speaker name from music player and lock screen, and control center supports iOS 12 14.8.1. Jailbreak detection hides Zoom jailbreak detection alert on start when launching a Zoom app. And we have Zoom JB bypass jailbreak detection in Zoom. Maze iOS 10. It's now free. It's a pixel perfect replica of the iOS 11 control center on iOS 10. So it allows you to reorder any modules wherever you want. Will also give you an infinite number of modules when you combine it with other tweets like flip switches and pull us, along with third-party Maze modules. Tweets called pull us, and brings true control to control center with fully customizable buttons for apps, toggles, and actions. Pull-us, Bluetooth fits pull-us, not remembering if Bluetooth is on after respring. Called UU, and it's best to speak for YouTube. Supports iOS 13 or higher, so you get all these features for YouTube. UU Combat, UU compatibility tweak for iOS 13, less than iOS 13. UU import, library from important orders, videos to music app, and you have UU Plus, supports iOS 13 and 14. So it's the jailbroken device version of UU Plus by Q and Black Cat. Next is called iCleaner Pro, and allows you to clean, remove unnecessary files and all that, and helps you save a ton of space. Supports iOS 4 to 14. Supports iOS 12 to 14.1. Latest emojis for iOS 12 to 14.8 and iPhone 7 and above. So install emoji port on iOS 13.2 emojis automatically to your iOS 12 device. One on the list is called Lower Install. It allows you to install apps in lower iOS versions. So you download apps that pretty much that usually wouldn't support your device. It does bypass that and allows you to spoof that and download those apps, for your older, iOS versions. So this was updated, so it does support like iOS, the new iOS versions like iOS 12, 13, and should also support iOS 14. Disabler and turn off app library. Notify 10. iOS 11 to 14. iOS 10 style notifications for iOS 11 and up. Buy breadcrumbs. Gets rid of breadcrumbs on your iOS 11 status bar. Status bar extension. Status bar for snowboard. We have a lib substrate for iOS 5 and up. So it's runtime modification, tweaks via substitute and substrate. Grade, it's called device sync, and it's a tweak for YouTube app. It gives you a bunch of cool features for YouTube.